Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Tokir Abid speaking from the floor of I-CET Academy. Assalamu alaikum to all of the listeners and viewers. Today, here I am presenting a speech related to the event of 1st May, Labor Day. Work is life, work is love. Everyone works, ant or dove. Work for living, work for food. Work in calm, don't get rude. Work is A, work is Z. It develop a seed into thick tree. Respected sir, today I want to submit my opinion about the importance of work by a reference to Labor Day. It is true that God helps those who help themselves. On the other hand, it is also verified that a journey towards a great destination itself has a prior opportunity to take first step as a basic parameter. Nothing can be achieved without struggle. The more you want, the more you struggle. Labor Day reminds us about the hard work of a person who works from dawn to dusk. He never feels tiresome because he has to earn for his family, he has to earn for his old parents and young children, and he has to earn to remove the cloud of hunger from the head of his entire family. The bread doesn't come from a factory, but it is the outcome of a hard labor. In all fields of life, the progress demands labor. Work starts from a peon and it goes up to a mill owner. The progress in all over the world is a result of the labor with right intentions. Whenever the Labor Day comes, it reminds us about the struggle and hard work of a person who fights with poverty. It is the reminder to root out the destitution and unemployment from the roots of a society. This day gives us a message that the poor should be taken care and helped by us. The advisory is that it is better to produce a single grain instead of the manufacturing a bullet. Today, the world is running after the development in science and technology, but alas, the lesson to feed the suffering community has been forgotten. All in all, it is better to feed as compared to hoard. Thank you very much to listen the video.